yes, what we're hearing is that all the bail pleas have been rejected, and that's something that we can confirm now. Obviously, the lawyer saying that all the bail pleas there inside have been rejected. Now, this is something that is coming after the NCB's opposition to the bail plea, and the NCB lawyer was the last one to argue yesterday. And at that point, there were some arguments that were made which were very strongly made in favor of keeping Riya Chakraborty in custody. But Riya Chakraborty's appeal now has the option of going to the High Court in appealing for bail. But yes, the news is that it has been rejected. All the bail pleas have been rejected. That's what we are hearing from the court at this point. We're still waiting for one of the lawyers to come out and officially react to that, but we're not expecting any reaction from Riya Chakraborty's lawyer, but other lawyers, including the special public prosecutor for the NCB, who will come out and perhaps react at this point. But yes, Riya Chakraborty's bail plea has been rejected by the special court that heard the bail plea. It will now obviously go to the High Court, where again the court will hear it and decide based on the merits of the argument whether to grant her bail or not. So Riya Chakraborty stays in jail for the next couple of days till, of course, the High Court hears her bail plea. Of course, a lawyer will file the bail plea as soon as possible, soon enough, but it will take some time, which means more time in jail for Riya.
All right, so Riya Chakraborty's bail along with her brothers and the other bail pleas have all been rejected there, Saurabh, as you're telling us. Also, NCB had several points which they made when they opposed her bail pleas, claiming that, she had conscious knowledge of the drugs and she was procuring them for Sushant Singh Rajput. And they also claimed that if she was given bail, she may try to influence other witnesses.
Yes, the NCB has made several arguments, and if I can read out from their, arguments, what they've made, and those arguments seem to have been upheld by the court while deciding on her bail plea. Now, the NCB's arguments specifically were on grounds that, there should be no bail given the fact that, there are severe offences that have been, she's been booked for, including, the offences that say that, the contention mentioned in the bail application are frivolous and fails to the knowledge of the, and are not tenable. And they say that, punishment under 27A, under which Riya has been booked of the NDPS Act, read with sections 29 and section 27A, is cognizable and not.
There's no reason given yet. I guess investigation is at a crucial stage now, so that's why maybe. No, it's yet to come. Reasoning is yet to come. Yes. Yes. Of course, we'll move the High Court.
Any single line observation by the bail?
Nothing has been said.
So only already
No, not only he's been announced that the order bail applications are rejected. No reasoning has been given yet. कोई reasoning नहीं दिया अभी तक. Reasoning आई नहीं, available नहीं. It will be available soon. We can't say anything. We are not at that position. Dipesh Sawant, Advocate Ali Bubere and Abdullah.